my fellow kaiju fans, Kaiju Gohan Gamer here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Bandai Chainsaw Gigan. I got this guy at G-Fest for $80. At all the other panels, he was about 120 or 200. And I really was surprised when I got him because I didn't think that they were going to have any more. I think they were going to sell out pretty fast. But enough with that. Let's get on to the detail. So I really like the color that they painted him. It's a really nice bluish blackish color on Gigan. And I really like the metal design, the metallic design on Gigan. It's a really freaking awesome thing. A really freaking awesome monster. And a really freaking awesome sculpt on it too. Especially the tail. See the metallic and all those little bumps in there. It's really cool. It's a really, really good figure. Oh yeah, and I watched a lot of reviews on this guy, and I see what they were talking about. They really did paint the inside, unlike Bandai Creations. And these things are, I don't know what you call them, claws or pickets or whatever you call these things. These things are very flexible. I do not advise you to play with those a lot because one of them might break off, and I don't want mine to break off, so I just don't play with those things. And so does this knife thing, this fin, I don't know. The wings are very flexible, by the way. The wings are very flexible. And it's just a really, really good figure. And also, the chainsaws are also like that too. They're flexible. Alright, now let's get down to articulation. So, the head does not move. The arm can move up and down, but it can't move. But it can also move backwards, but it can't move a full 360 like some of the others. Now I don't know if I count this as articulation or just a flaw or something, but the chainsaws can move, and I'm just gonna count it as articulation. Oh, sorry. The legs can move a full 360. Sorry, Gigan. The legs can move a full 360. The tail cannot move. And that looks like that's about it. That will about do it for the articulation. So not much to go on. Here's what and we're going to do a size comparison now. Here's what Bandai Chainsaw Gigan looks like next to Destroyer. Bandai Creations Destroyer. As you can see, not really coming up to scale with Gigan. Next Ghidorah. And here's what he looks to next to Godzilla Final Wars. As you can see, really not coming up to scale. Here's what he looks like next to Rebirth of Mothra. Leo Mothra, or Rainbow Mothra. I don't know what you call her now. And here's what he looks next to Kiryu. And lastly, here's what he looks next to the SH Monster Arts Godzilla 2014. The SH Monster Arts Godzilla 2014. As you can see, really not coming up to scale, especially how big Godzilla is in the movies. But that's beside the point. That will do it for this review. I am the Kaiju Gohan Gamer, and I'll see you next time. See ya.